grateful that I still have my life that I almost lost. And I'm grateful to have family that cares, that, prayed for me. Oh, pretty good. It was steady. I was, raising my kids. One day I wake up, I'm at work, and the next day I'm getting out of surgery from a brain tumor. As soon as I get the sports shoes they tell me to wear, so I have to. Sometimes it takes 2 to 3 times to put these things on. I had to learn how to walk, talk, my memory. I had to get some of my memory back, which I'm still, getting some back now. My kids came to see me and they asked me so many questions that I couldn't answer because my memory wasn't all the way together. I had a good job doing construction, Some people, it takes them longer. But for me, I prayed, I asked God that, I want to get back to normal when I need to. I want to get back to my family because they needed me. And that was really one of the most good things about being out of surgery, because I started feeling way better than I did before. And then with my diabetes, my diabetes was really high. I was in 340, Then once I lost the weight, it went down to 120. And I've been keeping it in that range, ever since. And then my energy level was way better. My thinking level was way better. I got more laughter, more fun. One, I'm a fighter. I'm a fighter, and I fought it,